And a great player, great exponent of badminton, never gives up. Attacking player Lee Shuri. That's what she will have to do today against her opponent, which is Chinese Taipei, fighting for the first and second place in this group. World number 7 currently, and career win loss of 128 to 81. And this year, well, not very strong this year, 7 to 7. But anything can be expected from her. She doesn't give up. She's never overawed by the big names playing against her. And she can give a run for the money to anybody holding a racket. So between both of them, 6-0 is what Lee Shuri leads in head-to-head. And the last one coming at Singapore Open this year itself in January, 21-10, 21-13. So not much of a fight over there. But given a team championship, one never knows. Tai Tzu Ying could definitely give a best over here. So there they are, both of them. And after that scintillating tie that you all just saw between Malaysia and Korea, here it is now the Yuba Cup. Klaus Schlieben, the umpire for this match, and Jiri Ruth is going to be the service judge. So the Chinese here resplendent in their uniforms, psychedelic yellow, all of them. There they are behind the team. They come in, and the gentleman sitting in the front on the left side of your screen in cap is the man credited bringing the success to Chinese badminton, Chief Coach Lee Yong-bo. He would be watching this closely. So there we are, just about to start what could be a good match. And along with me is Trupti Murgunde. And Trupti, 6-0
right, Chinese Taipei,
is the
represented by
head-to-head score between the two in favor of the Chinese girl.
On my left,
But as I was telling you sometime back, this girl from Chinese Taipei,
China to serve.
Zhu Ying, is a great fighter.
Play.
Small in height, but she makes up with huge number of rallies.
Yes, the head-to-head speaks a lot. But at the same time, as you said, Tai has been playing very decent badminton, has had good victories in the past. Also bothered some of Chinese players. So today we have to see what she's going to show.
Well, she has to play a bit steady against a person like Lee Shuri. Wants to go into attack most of the time, so she has to play deep lobs, keep the shuttle on the baseline as much as possible, not allow the Chinese to play these sort of shots. But then again, we are seeing a fight for the second place here. In fact, first to second place, because first place already locked in by China. So how much she will be able to motivate herself, the girl from Chinese Taipei, remains to be seen.
Love.
Yes, they have played quite a few times in the past, and both of them know each other's game.
That's the 5th point.
5. Love.
That one going out as well. Still trying to get a form here.
6.
Tai, as she's called. 6-0. Well, that has been called in. Right on the line there. Better looking stroke from Tai.
1 6.
I saw her play in the Indian Badminton League Trupti against Saina Nehwal, and I remember 2 rallies of at least 60 strokes. Extremely impressive.
Well, Taizu has been very agile, keeps running
Service
all
over.
over on the court, and
7-1.
her game is also more or less, kind of retrieving.
The Chinese not allowing her to settle down as of yet. She's finding no rhythm right now.
Yes, absolutely, and that should be a Chinese strategy also, because if she gets into rallies, Tai is right there.
Service
Well,
over.
she's good when she wants to be. Look at that flick from the net. She catches the bird early and sends it
2.
racing across
7.
the cross-court forehand area. Two-seven, first game of this Chinese Taipei encounter. Good rally now. She's
3,
trying to trap the
7.
world number 1, playing into longer rallies now. This is the game. This is the plan that she would have.
Service over.
Play there from Shuri. That sudden drop coming from
8,
the overhead
3.
cross-court area. And Tai there left wanting a couple of inches.
Remember, Sanjay, watching Lee Zuri and Tai, they came out, or their name started becoming more prominent in the
9,
international scene around the
3.
same time, probably around 2010, 2009.
Service over.
Well,
4,
she's got the strokes
9.
and plays it when she wants, when she's in a comfortable position. That's the great man there, Lin Dan, watching it closely. Had a bit of a rough time yesterday against his Chinese Taipei opponent, but was able to get out of that, giving China 5-0 win over there in the Thomas Cup. And well, that's in.
5.
Nicely controlled, 5-9. That's the shot, and Shuri, watching the flick, thought it's going to come behind, getting caught there. Well, this is the one she has to guard against. She has to keep the shuttle in play there.
10.
The lifts
5.
that are going outside on the baseline. 10-5.
Service over.
Looks
Nicely
like
played.
she's opening up a
6,
bit now and
10.
playing her strokes a little more confidently.
Saving one more point there.
10.
Cutting the lead here. But she doesn't give up at all. Once she gets going, she really has to control those negative points. The enforced errors, this girl from Chinese Taipei. Well, that's the 11th point.
11-7. Interval.
And Sun Yu there and Wang Yihan just watching the proceedings as the compatriot takes this point. There it is, the one going in the net. And 11-7 is the score at this point. So that's you can see the Group W as China and Chinese Taipei fighting for the leadership, and Chinese Taipei can get across China only if they defeat Chinese. Otherwise, China is going to lead England and Russia coming behind.
11-7.
So there we are. Important for Chinese Taipei to get it across China. Tall order can be done. After all, this is sports. Not like that. The backhand sweeping shot there, not really going behind. And
Wow.
Lee Shuri, tall she
7.
is. That was the flick that did the damage. Gets the opening to hit one of those smashes on the cross court side. 12-7.
Thirteen, 7.
That one sailing outside as well.
14, 7.
And that takes Lee Shuri to 14. Well, taking it low, so late there,
15,
almost at the ground level.
7.
And that's the points table again, as you can see, 10 points, China straight ahead. And after this tie, they could well be the leaders and would be on 15 points.
Service over.
Saving one there. 8-15 for the Chinese Taipei girl.
15.
So that's, we can see again England coming third there after playing 2 matches. They have beaten France and Russia, and Russia losing out all the matches there. Tall Russian girls, and Russia coming in last. So China leads, Chinese Taipei number 2 at the moment.
But let's not forget that the English girls have given a hard time to the Chinese Taipei. They have in fact beaten them 3-2.
Service over.
16-8.
16-8.
That's the one that was lifted outside. Nicely played, full stretch there, almost at the baseline area,
8.
and shows a class there. The world number 1 sizzling smash on the cross court side.
I think I didn't expect that one from Lee Zuri, because she had a very good lift right at the corner, and to make a stroke from there to another corner will definitely be a bit
Service
difficult.
over.
That's right, totally
9-17.
unexpected because the shuttle was really deep. But Lee Shuri taking a risk and eventually got an ace. Well, this is the one she has to really control. She has to be very alert about this.
18-9.
Tosses are the bread and butter of badminton. They should not be hit out at all. And that was a much
Silva.
better stroke. Same action in the
10.
toss.
18.
Just deceiving her opponent totally. There it is. Shuri, in fact, just stuck there on a base area, unable to move. Oh, nicely flicked. Good deflective shot
Service
that
over.
from a shoulder length and playing it on the cross court.
19.
Yes, I thought she will catch Lee Zuri on a bodyline smash, but very beautifully Lee Zuri defended that and also placed it along with it.
That was a good deflection on the cross court, but went a little slow there. But finally, she finds the place,
Service over.
finds an open area and defeats Lee Shuri.
11.
11-19.
19.
Has she given too much of a lead here, Trupti?
Yes, absolutely. Illusuri has looked comfortable throughout the match, and of course, initially Tai was not looking completely in the game, which made Lee Zuri take a decent lead in the beginning itself.
Well, middle of the court,
12,
not giving
19.
it enough height there, Lee Shuri. But nonetheless, she's quite comfortable still. 19-12, that's the one that went in the net. Taking it a little low there, the world number one. Well, that backhand
13,
tap there not really coming
19.
through, Trupti. I thought she would really hammer it.
Yes, even I thought the same way because she was right there. Position was fine, everything, but I think she just went for a softer one. Looks a bit relaxed in after having such a big lead.
Nicely brushing it again there, beating
14,
the Olympic champion
19.
with that lovely disguised drop shot. So getting one back now. 14-19, first game of this Chinese Taipei Yubo Cup clash. And again, this time a softer shot, cross court overhead. But
15,
controlling it well, the shuttle
19.
sailing right across on the diagonal side. There you see it coming.
Sixteen, 19. Lead.
Well, that has been called in. She thought it is outside. So 16-19, getting close there. Well, that's gone out,
Service over.
giving the game point to Shuri.
20. Game point 16. Good.
Well, that's the first game. She did her best there, Tai, but left it too late
First game won by China.
to put Lee Shuri under any sort of pressure.
21-16.
So 21-16 to the Chinese. And that's the score. Little bit of trouble on and off, but generally speaking, it was Lee Shuri all the way. 15 minutes and the score is 21-16 in the first game in this first lady singles match of the tie. So Lee Shuri starting off a campaign in this Yuba Cup clash for China, winning the first game 21-16. Tai of Chinese Taipei really leaving it too late. She played well enough, getting some
Second
good
game.
points towards the end, but left it too late to
Level.
really make any impression.
Play.
in that game. Well, that's in. Very well controlled. Just the flick of the wrist sends the bird sailing on the baseline
One
area, cross court
love.
side. But with so much control. There you see that. Almost on the line there. Good cross court.
Service over.
She's so tiny, Trupti, but she covers the court well. This girl from Chinese Taipei.
Yes, absolutely. It looks like she's just running around all over the court
One
and returning the shuttle. Also, we have seen, Lee Zuri going for more rallies right now. But whenever required, whenever she needs points, she goes for those kind of attacking strokes.
Two.
Well, taking a lead for the very first time. Tie.
Service over.
Well, after a long time, she had a middle of the court stroke to play. She puts it to the net.
Two. All.
And because of her height, basically she can't really attack all the while, because when she's at the baseline, she cannot really hit very steep smashes.
Yes, as compared to Lee Zuri, she will not get that kind of a depth what Lee Zuri gets because of her height. But yeah, at the same time, we have seen Tai taking that leap if she is under the shuttle. So that should help her a bit more.
3. 2.
Well, that's the one that went outside. And Shuri clearly wanted to make it 7-0 and head to head. Well, making a run all across the net there, Shuri. Supple wrists, just moves it around, very agile as well.
2.
The way she flicked that shuttle across the court, there you see. And too late for Tai. Making a lot of errors there, Tai.
That's what similar thing she did in the beginning of the first game, and then she started coming back when Lee Zuri took a huge lead. So it becomes really difficult to cope up with that lead.
That's right, you have to stay neck to neck or at least go ahead. Especially a player like Lee Shuri, world number 1, Olympic champion, has been the dominant player in the world,
6.
along with 2 of other compatriots, Wang Yian and Wang Xiaoshen. So you don't fool around with them. And Trupti, I've always seen over the decades that the Chinese actually hunt in packs. It's always 2, 3, at least sometimes 4
Service over.
girls in top 10. So they're always the new generation ready to take over.
3.
Yes, absolutely. We, unlike the other countries where there are only few players who have to stay longer, but whereas in China there are a lot more players and there are a lot more youngsters who are upcoming. So they,
4.
After a certain
6.
period, they do give a chance to the youngsters to come ahead.
And the youngsters are so fit and so trained, by the time they hit the world circuit, they already, from scratch to a top position, they just take about a year.
Yes, absolutely. That's what they, the Chinese Badminton Association takes care of their training and planning of all the tournaments. Everything is so well taken care. By the time a junior comes in the senior circuit, is already prepared to be there.
Absolutely,
Service over.
everything planned with clinical precision. And it is Lee Shuri here playing the
7.
surgeon,
4.
cutting off any mid-court returns. There it is. And Tai knew that it is impossible to take that smash. Look at that smile. She had given up. The moment she saw the Chinese rushing to the shuttle, which was middle of the court, she gave up that rally. 7-4. That one going out as well. much to the delight of this entire contingent here. Lin Dan sitting there, Chen Long sitting there.
Service
And
over.
that's in. After a long time, we have seen a flick off the
5,
net coming inside the
8.
court.
Well, we have seen Tai playing some good deceptive shots here, and she has caught Lee Zuri quite a few times on her deception. I think she should use that more often. But of course, for that she has to get under the shuttle, get into
Service
the
over.
position. That's going to be really important for which she has to move
9,
much more quicker.
5.
Well, somehow, Trupti, my feeling is that I do not see any sort of urgency in the game of or the movement of Tai so far. It seems to me as if she may have lost the battle in her mind before she came in. Sometimes it does happen when you are facing a world number one that you feel, well, what can I do?
Yes,
Service
it could
over.
be one of the reasons, though she has played her
6,
earlier quite a few
9.
times. So she knows where she is in front of Lee Zuri.
Well, they've played 6 times over the years and she's lost all the 6 times. So that must be weighing heavily on her head. And this stroke she
Service
didn't
over.
even try for it. Beaten by the sudden
10, 6.
change of direction there from Shuri. That wrist just rolling over and sending the bird on the cross-court side. Well, really
11-6
holding the action there.
in the ball.
Mistiming it though. She says sorry to the opponent, Lee Shuri, but she got that 11th point and winning the first game there 21-16. 11-6 in the second game. So 23 minutes so far, 21-16, 11-6 to Lee Shuri in this first ladies singles match.
Score 2, 20 seconds. Score 2, 20 seconds.
Well, that's the
11-6.
think tank
Play.
for ladies doubles there, the two coaches of China.
Service over. 7, 11.
Tai has to really up her pace and try and get as many points as possible, because Sanjay, I'm sure it will matter eventually when the tie result is out,
8,
and when their
11.
pool result is also out. They have to score as many games as possible in this particular match, because simultaneously England is playing against Russia and they will also be looking at doing the same.
Well, still I feel that she has to bring that urgency in the game.
Service over.
She's getting there now. Slowly, she has to up the pace
12,
really
8.
and control those shots which are going out of the baseline. She's lost so many points already.
Bolt.
Easy put away. The two big names of Chinese singles there,
13,
ladies.
8.
Wang Yihan is Sun Yu, the new one on the block.
Service over.
Well, unforced error there after a long time from the Chinese ace.
9,
Lee
13.
Shuri, not off her head, berating herself. How did this happen? Oh yes, she was there. The cross-court flick on the
Service
deep
over.
forehand area. She knew somehow that Tai is going to play it back on the same side.
14,
And Lee Shuri
9.
was just waiting. Look at that. Just the block. And that's over.
Absolutely losing
15-9.
control, making so many unforced errors.
16-9.
Yet another one tie. Lovely shot by Lee Zuri.
17-9.
There you see she tossed, but I think it went mid-court and she was right under the shuttle and played that beautiful over-the-head cross-court top smash.
Well, Thai, I think, needs to give more flight to the shuttle. She has to go a little higher up. Because the flat tosses are going out, she can control two things. She can keep the shuttle in play,
9.
and she can make sure that Lee Shuri is not playing those devastating half smashes like this from middle of the court.
Yes, and she also, of course, this would be pretty late for her to realize that the draft is a bit different on the other side of the court.
19-9.
Lee Shuri really not bothered about the draft. She's getting a points at will, 6-0 in head-to-head already in her career. And this is on the way to become 7-0. Hardly any fight so far from Thai. Much was expected of this match. I really thought, Trupti, this will be a cracker of a
20.
match, but here she is, match point 9.
9.
Yes, absolutely. Even I thought the same way, but then Thai never really looked into the game and looks very casual. The movements look pretty casual as well.
Service over.
She's not really putting heart and soul, and
10,
you found out that she did
20.
not play the last Thai match that they had against England. So maybe she's coming off some sort of illness.
11, 20.
She's saving one and saving another one. Very uncharacteristic. And the Chinese are so
12,
fast in changing shuttles.
20.
Anything goes wrong, shuttle going out means change of shuttle. Finishes it off. Just a snap of a wrist, did not give it enough pace, but the direction was immaculate, and so was the execution of that shot. And she wraps it up. 21-12. There she is,
Match won by China.
ensuring that China moves into
21-16, 21-12.
the quarterfinal stage. It's already in quarterfinals, but will head the group as expected. So that's the duration of the match, just about 30 minutes. 21-16, 21-12 to Lee Shuri, the world number 1 from China.